Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset the home screen layout on iPhone. So if you want to reset your iPhone home screen layout, reset it back to the default, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to reset your iPhone home screen layout, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general. Now scroll down the general page. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Then under Reset All Settings, locate and click on Reset Home Screen Layout. Then you see what that says. This is going to reset your iPhone home screen layout back to default. Click on Reset Home Screen. Then hit the back button and go back to your iPhone home screen. Then you should see your home screen layout reset. So that is basically how to reset the home screen layout on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.